This dance is called Rollin Home. It's a 64 count, 4 wall, improve a level line dance with 1 step change and 1 restart. Starting on the right foot, step the right forward, touch the left just behind the right, step back on the left, kick the right forward into a coaster step, back, close step, hold. That set of steps once more. Step, touch, back, kick off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, hold. Go forward on the step, lock, step, left foot leading, step, lock, step, hold, into a chase half turn, step forward on the right, put half a turn left, step forward on the right, hold. That set of steps once more then, step, lock off on the left. 7, 8, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold. Let's add that to the top. Step, touch off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold. Step forward on the left, touch the right just behind the left, step back on the right, kick the left forward. Into a back lock step, left foot leading, back, lock, back, hold. That set of steps once more then, step, touch off on the left. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, back, lock, back, hold. Add on a coaster step, right foot leading, back, close, step, hold. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself a quarter turn to the right, cross the left over the right, hold. That set of steps once more then, coaster step off on the right. 7, 8, coaster, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold. That's our halfway point, let's take it up to there. Step, touch off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, step, touch, back, kick, back, lock, back, hold, coaster, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold. Second half of the dance then. You're going to vine to the right, step the right to the side, left behind, right to the side, cross the left over the right. Add on a mambo cross, so you rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, cross that right over the left, it's your mambo cross, then hold. That set of steps once more then, vining to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, hold. Half rumba box back, 2 of them. So we step the left to the side, right beside left, step the left back, hold. Right to the side, left beside right, right back, hold. Nice easy little set of steps, just do that once more, half rumba boxes off on the left. 7, 8, side, close, back, hold, side, close, back, hold. Add that to our halfway point, vine into the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, hold, side, close, back, hold, side, close, back, hold. Add on a coaster step, left foot leading, back, close, step, hold, and a right, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, hold. That set of steps once more, then coaster step off on the left. 7, 8, coaster, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold. Let's add that to our halfway point. Line into the right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, hold, side, close, back, hold, side, close, back, hold, coaster, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold. Into a chase half turn. So go step forward on the left, pivot half a turn to the right, step forward on the left, hold, and finish up with a rocking chair. Rock forward on the right, recover, rock back on the right, recover. That set of steps once more then, chase half turn off on the left. 7, 8, step, pivot, step, hold, rocking chair. Add that to our halfway point. Line to the right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, hold, side, close, back, hold, side, close, back, hold, coaster, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, rocking chair. So that's your two halves, put them together. Step, touch, back, kick off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, step, touch, back, kick, back, lock, back, hold, coaster, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, hold, side, close, back, hold, side, close, back, hold, coaster, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, rocking chair. Now that is your dance, not an and count in sight. But it is a 4-wall dance, so we'll have a go at the other 3 walls, and I am going to speed it up just a little bit as we start going around those walls. Step, touch, half on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, step, touch, back, kick, back, lock, back, hold, coaster, step, hold, step, pivot, cross, hold, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, hold, side, close, back, hold, side, close, back, hold, coaster, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, rocking chair, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, step, step, touch, back, kick, back, lock, back, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, side, close, back, side, close, back, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, step, rocking chair, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, step, step, touch, back, kick, back, rock, back, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, side, close, back, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, step, rocking chair. So that's your dance. Now there is one little step change and restart in this dance. Comes after 14 counts. So it's towards the end of section 2. And the very last step in section 2 is your chase half turn. So you will do your step, pivot a half a turn to the left, and then normally on the chase half turn you will step forward and then there's that hold. With this step change, you do your step pivot, you will touch the right beside the left and hold, and then you're ready to start the dance again. So that is the change. Rather than stepping forward at the end of that chase half turn, you just touch the right beside the left, hold and restart the dance. It comes on wall 4. Wall 4 is our 9 o'clock wall. So let's just take you up to that point, do that step change, restart the dance. Step touch off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, touch, hold, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step. So that's where your step change and your restart comes in after 14 counts on wall 4. So that's it. That is your dance, that's your walkthrough and your step change and restart information. It's a lovely piece of music, hope you enjoy it. Let's give it a go. Five, 6, 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, step, step, touch, back, kick, back, rock, back, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross, side behind, side cross, number cross, side close back, side close back, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, step, rocking chair, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, step, step, touch, back, kick, back, rock, back, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross, side behind, side cross, number cross, side close back, side close back, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, rocking chair, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, step, step, touch, back, kick, back, rock, back, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross, side behind, side cross, number cross, side close back, side close back, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, step, rocking chair, step, touch, restart all, step, lock, step, step, pivot, touch, step, touch, back, kick, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, step, step, touch, back, kick, back, walk, back, coaster, step, step, pivot, step, side behind, side cross, number cross, side close back, side close back, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, step, rocking chair, step, touch, step, lock, step, touch,
To the place I long to be.
one,
Rolling home,
number,
rolling home.
coaster,
There is someone waiting there for me.
step, touch, step, touch, fine, roller, coaster, chase,
All the money that I saved, I'll pay for better days. Just can't make up for how I miss you so. There's no consolation prize, oh, when I close my eyes.
Hope you managed that one.